Hello everyone, I'm Jason, the sales engineer at 3idea. Today I'm excited to introduce one of our most popular products, the 304 stainless steel 3D rod, manufactured according to the ASME B and DR standard. With over 20 years of experience in producing the 3D rod, our factory is ISO 9001 and STS certified. We proudly offer 100% pre-shipment inspection video to ensure quality assurance. We provide a wide range of 3D rod products with specifications from M6 to M64. The lens can be customized based on your product needs, with options ranging from 100 to 3000 millimeters. Our manufacturing process includes the following steps: cutting, flight chamber frame, fixed lens chamber frame, rolling threads, and cleaning. We utilize industrial-grade precision rolled threads, ensuring that the threads are finely crafted to be hand-friendly, making them safe to touch without risk of injury. A 45% chamber firm enhances alignment with assembly parts, and the right-hand thread ensures easy installation. These rolls are ideal for various projects, such as ample bolts, fixtures, hangers, and U-bolts, where consistent threads or non-headed metal rolls are necessary. Our factory is certified under several quality management systems, including IATF 16949, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, PEDN 10204, CPREN 14339, EN 15048 and 82000. In terms of quality control, we conduct through the dimensional testing on the finished products to ensure the string length, ox diameter, and the pass or stop gauge meet our strict standards. The 304 stainless steel material undergoes spectral testing with chromium, nickel, and carbon levels carefully monitored to comply with industry standards. Additionally, we perform tensile testing on our products, ensuring values exceed 700 megapascal. Rest assured, our packaging is designed with care. We used craft paper for wrapping. Add your customized label. Securely pack the rolls in sturdy wooden boxes and wrap them in plastic for waterproofing. A waterproof label will also be affixed to the outermost layer to ensure safe transport. Once everything is prepared, we will ship your order properly. If you have any project requirement related to stainless steel 3D rod, please don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to working with you.